Are you looking to enhance your opportunities in the world of genomics and medicine? BDG LifeSciences brings a great opportunity. We have launched our 84th research project on NGS data analysis. Applications are now invited for only 5 seats in our 84th novel research project entitled Targeting Tumor Progression, Identifying Differentially Expressed Genes and Pathways in Pancreatic Ductal Adenocarcinoma using RNA sequencing. Dr. Party, Senior Technical Associate at BDG LifeSciences, is the resource person and guide for this research project. She has more than 20 years of experience in the field and expertise in next-generation sequencing data analysis. In this training program, there will be live sessions with practical application and tasks to be performed by the participants. You will get video recording of the same, and on successful completion of the project, you will get the certificate. Ready to launch your research journey? This exciting project is your ticket to blast off. Scan the QR code and fuel your curiosity with details like topics, applications, and outcomes. It's time to register and be the astronaut in this scientific adventure.